Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today, you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Starry Night Lavender Field. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Amber Paxton. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I'll put out a call for photos. They'll submit their photos and I select some of them to turn into YouTube tutorials. And as a thank you, I will send the original painting off to whoever submitted the photo. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this video, learning how you too could submit your photos to me, and or learn more about the Patreon membership program where there's a bunch of other benefits that you can use to increase your painting and artistic skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a very pretty lavender galaxy landscape painting. I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.